Presenting the Galaxy HMS-5, digital hot plate magnetic stirrer designed for precise heating and efficient magnetic stirring in laboratory applications. The HMS-5 is supplied as a complete, ready-to-use system. Main unit, temperature sensor stand, magnetic stirring beads, power cord, user manual. First, securely attach the temperature sensor stand to the hot plate. Next, attach the temperature sensor to the stand for accurate temperature monitoring. Connect the power cord and switch on the HMS-5. Press the time button to set the timer. Rotate the knob clockwise to increase the time and counterclockwise to decrease it. Set the stirring speed by rotating the knob. Clockwise to increase RPM and counterclockwise to reduce it. Press the temperature button and rotate the knob to set the desired heating temperature. Place a magnetic stirring bead into the sample. Position the beaker on the magnetic plate and insert the temperature sensor into the sample. Press and hold the control knob to start heating and stirring. Introducing the Galaxy HMS-20, advanced hot plate magnetic stirrer engineered for enhanced control, safety, and flexibility in laboratory operations. The HMS-20 is delivered with all essential accessories for immediate use. Main unit, temperature sensor, temperature stand, magnetic stirring beads, power cord, user manual. Assemble the temperature stand by rotating and fixing the rod securely onto the instrument. Attach the temperature holder rod and fix the temperature sensor in position. Connect the power cord and press the power key for 2 seconds to switch on the HMS-20. Set the stirring speed by rotating the RPM knob clockwise to increase and counterclockwise to decrease the speed. Set the heating temperature using the temperature knob, adjusting as required. To set the timer, press the clock key and adjust the time using the knob. Insert a magnetic bead into the sample, place the beaker on the platform, and insert the temperature probe. Press the speed knob to start stirring and the temperature knob to begin heating. Once the temperature is reached, press the clock key and confirm to start timing. Easily switch the stirring direction from clockwise to counterclockwise using the direction switch. To enter program mode, press and hold the temperature knob for 5 seconds. Set RPM, temperature and time, then confirm to save the program. After operation, clean the platform and instrument using a dry cloth. Press and hold the power key for 2 seconds to turn off the unit. If the plate temperature exceeds 60 degrees Celsius, a hot surface warning will remain visible until it cools down. Galaxy hot plate, magnetic stirrers, HMS-5 and HMS-20. Precision, safety and performance for every laboratory. Thank you for watching, and to explore our full range of products, visit our YouTube channel or contact us